Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a long gradient vibrant text effect to create a nice long shadow. So we firstly want to start off by selecting the paint bucket tool, then changing our foreground color to be black, then select OK, then fill in our background canvas, and then we're just going to draw out some text in the middle of the canvas. Firstly, selecting the text color to be white so it's visible on our background, and then simply typing in some text. So we're just typing creative. The font that we're using is Roboto and the weight is black, but you can just use any heavy font typeface which you feel is similar to this to create a similar effect. Once you've done that, we're going to select our newly created text layer, right click and select blending options, then select gradient overlay, and then from there we're just going to choose a vibrant gradient from the gradient options that we have available. So purple usually work quite well for this effect, so we're just going to choose a nice vibrant purple. Select OK once again, and then we're going to right click on our newly created layer, select convert to smart object. We're then going to duplicate that layer and then select OK. We're going to rasterize our duplicated layer. And then from there, all we're going to simply do is just cut off half of that newly created layer. And then from there, we'll be left with half of the amount of the layer. So we're just going to simply hold on to Shift and just drag the bottom anchor point down to the bottom, and we want to slightly move it up also so it goes past the text. From there, we're going to head over to Filter, Blur, and select Motion Blur. And then from there, we want to change our settings. So we want to change the angle to be 90. And then from there, we can change the distance also. So we're going to change it to be 850 and then change the angle to be 90. Then select OK. And then from there, we're going to select the eraser tool. And we're just going to ensure that the hardness is 0%. And we're just going to ensure that we're using a soft round brush. And then we're just going to erase some of the blur. So it starts after the text. Just remove everything that's on top. And I'm just going to remove some of the bottom to create a nice fade. And there you go. That's how you create a long gradient text effect using Photoshop in a matter of minutes. So a great little technique and one that I hope you can use in your future design projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for quick tips on how to use Photoshop.